Hey everyone, welcome to this section. So now that we have our IDE set up, let's go ahead and actually start building some more complicated and fun projects. So in this section, we're going to build a really fun card game, and that is going to be a blackjack game. Now, if you're not familiar, what is a blackjack game? Blackjack is actually a pretty simple card game. Essentially, the idea is that you have two hands or multiple hands, and if you should not be exceeding the 21 essentially. So and you can actually ask the dealer to give you a card, and the closer you get to that 21, the highest chance you're going to have to actually win. And again, if you exceed the 21, that means you automatically lose. It's a pretty simple game. I don't want to explain all the rules here, but you can actually read about it. And there's if you take a look at this, there is actually a pretty interesting way to play it as well. It's a more graphic and a cool way. Obviously, what we're gonna build here is not gonna be as cool looking as this, because we're still haven't got into HTML and all that stuff. But for example, again, as see, we got our bets. So for example, I'm gonna put 700. Let's say there you go, 700, and I'm gonna say deal. So the dealer is gonna give me cards. So I got 20 on my side, and I get the dealer got 8. So damn, I'm really close to 21. So I have two options here. I can either say hit or stand. If I said hit, I'm going to get another card. Now the problem with this is that I'm going to go over 21 most likely, because again, it's really close. The best hand you really can get is 20 honestly, or obviously 21 would be the best hand you can get automatically. That's an automatic win. But again, that's the whole idea. But so in this case, I'm going to say stand because my chances of winning are pretty high. So I'm just gonna not take any cards. There you go, I just won 700 bucks. So again, this is how blackjack works. Let's go a little bit higher here. For example, I'm going to say deal. So I got 18. This is an okay hand, like it's pretty high up there, but not the greatest. I'm not going to take the risk. I'm just going to say stand. So then there you go. So dealer got a 10, which is going to end up in 19 in total, and the dealer just won. So I just lost one. So that's how blackjack work. And take a look at the app itself. This is the final project, and I have it in PyCharm. And if I run this, it's going to ask me a question. Do you want to play a game of blackjack? I'm just going to say yes, of course. And it's going to say your cards are 10 and 2. Your current score is 12. Okay, so your computer's first card is 2. Type Y to get another card, type N to pass. So I'm going to get another card because 12 is pretty low, so I'm just going to say Y. So get another card. It's going to say your current card is 13. Computer's first card is 2. Do you want to get another card? Type Y to get another card, or type N to pass. I'm going to get another card because still it's very low. And there you go. So your cards 10, 2, 1, 7. Your current score 20. That's really cool. Now computer's first card, it's still 2. So again, the whole point is that it's not going to show computers or other person or dealers, in this case dealers, cards. So I'm just going to say yes to get another card, or N to pass. So I'm going to say N to pass because I'm hitting 20. So that's pretty good, right? So I'm just going to say N. Your final hand score 20, computer's final hand 2, 7, 8, final score 17, you win. So just like that, I won that round. So again, this is how this game is going to work, and we're going to be building this game throughout this section. It's going to be a really exciting one. It's going to be fun, and I'm going to enjoy this. This is really fun. I do like the blackjack game, and it's really fun to actually build one in real life as well, and and program one. So let me know if you have any questions, guys. Let's start building it. So fire up your PyCharm and let's go ahead and start building our code.